Okay, so as we continue through this short-term closure, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to get on Zoom if you don't already know how. The first thing, you just need to make sure that your child's iPad has Zoom downloaded onto it. Everybody's iPad should have Zoom on it. They was on everybody's, but sometimes things get deleted. If it's not there, you can download it through the app portal. Once that's downloaded, all you have to do is on your child's class page, they can either click this link here. It'll come open Zoom meetings, and you click on that. And it automatically join with computer audio. It automatically logs you into the meeting, and all you need to do is start your video. Okay. The other thing you can do is click this link, and you get the same thing. Open Zoom meetings. It'll open up, join with audio, and then you can start your video. And that is how you get your child onto Zoom. I look forward to seeing you on Zoom. Your child will also have just a couple reading and math activities. If you have any questions or you need any help, please let me know. And I hope that we can be back in school together again soon.